Get ready for the dictation. Dictation will start in 5 seconds. Start. The right to make a decision about reproduction is essentially a very personal decision, either on the part of the man or woman. Necessarily, such a decision making process of the individual is scrutinized by the Constitutional Court both in this country and in America with great care. 2 decades ahead, Menka's decision in the year 1999, the Supreme Court evolved a new facet of right to privacy in case of State of Maharashtra versus Madhukar Narayan Mardikar by protecting the right to privacy of prostitute. The court held that even a woman of easy virtue is entitled to her privacy and no one can invade her privacy as and when he likes. Further, emanating from the right to privacy of an individual is the tapping of telephone. Telephone tapping constitutes a serious invasion of an individual's right to privacy. The court, in case of People's Union for Civil Liberties versus Union of India, has ruled that the right to hold a telephone conversation in the privacy of one's home or office without interference can certainly be claimed as right to privacy. In Mr. X versus Hospital Z, the Supreme Court has held that although the right to privacy is a fundamental right under Article 21 of the Constitution, but it is not an absolute right and restrictions can be imposed on it for the prevention of crime, disorder, or protection of health or morals or protection of rights and freedom others. In this case, the apex court was called upon to deal with a crucial question that can a doctor disclose to the would of be wife of a person that he is HIV positive? A division bench of the Supreme Court held that by disclosing that the person was suffering from AIDS, the doctors has not violated the right of privacy of the appellant guaranteed by Article 21. The court held that although the right of privacy is a fundamental right under Article 21, but it is not an absolute right and restrictions can be imposed on it. The right to marry is an essential element of right to privacy, but is not absolute. Marriage is the sacred union, legally permissible, of two healthy bodies of opposite sexes. Every system of matrimonial law provides that if a person is suffering from venereal disease in a communicable form, it will be open to the other partner in the marriage to seek divorce. If a person is suffering from that disease even prior to the marriage, he has no right to marry so long as he is not fully cured of the disease. As such, when the patient was found to be HIV positive, the disclosure by the doctor was not violative of either the rule of confidentiality or the patient's right to privacy, as the lady with whom the patient was likely to be married was saved by such disclosure, or else she too would have been infected with the dreadful disease if marriage had taken place. The court had observed. Full stop. Stop.